Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 1 cent na small coins ni Queen Elizabeth II. Tinatawag na Commemorative Confederation. Mayroong year na 1867 at 1992. Ika-125 anniversary guys. So ang tungkol dito guys, ito ay tinatawag na small coins. The Canadian 1 cent piece is commonly referred to as the penny. This is a result of the British monetary system used until 1858, which used pound, shillings, and pence. In Britain, the name penny refers to 1 penny. In Canada, it was originally used for the 2 cent piece. But after this was discontinued, the name began to be used for the 1 cent piece. Production and distribution of the Canadian penny ended in 2012. Though it is still legal tender in Canada. Penny pieces are unlikely to be high in Canadian coin values unless they are dated before 1940s. Those from 1850s and some from the 1920s are the most popular. From 1841 to 1867, the province of Canada consisted a modern day of Ontario and Quebec provinces. In 1858, British money was replaced with a new Canadian currency. In 1867, the colonies became known as the Dominion of Canada. From 1858, coins were minted in Britain, but from 1870, Dominion of Canada coins were minted in Ottawa. 5 and 10 cents Canadian cents have both been issued from 1858 until the present. The 20 cent is rare as it is appeared only in 1858. It was unpopular as people confused it with the US 25 cent piece, 25 cent and 50 cent items have been issued since 1870. As with the 1 cent, 5 cent, and 10 cent, these have been numerous versions. There have also been 5 different British monarchs in this period, which has changed their appearance. At ito ang kanyang features guys ng ating 1 cent na Confederation coins or commemorative coins. Issuer is Canada, ang Queen Elizabeth II, 1952 hanggang 2022. Type is circulating commemorative coin. Year 1992. Ang value 1 cent. Sa Pilipinas guys is 0.41 centavos. Currency, dollar, 1858 ang kanyang date. Composition is bronze, 0.980 copper and 0.5 ang tin. At 0.015 ang kanyang zinc. May timbang lang siya na 2.50 grams at ang kanyang diameter is 19.10 mm. Ang thickness naman ay 1.45 mm. Meron siyang shape na decagonal, may 12-sided. Kanyang technique is mild, orientation, middle alignment, number A number 426, reference number KM number 204 and shoe number 201. Ito yung commemorative issue, 125 anniversary of Canadian Confederation, 1867 hanggang 1992. At ito ang ating obverse guys, ang head of Queen Elizabeth II as a 64 years old of age. wearing the royal diadem necklace and earrings facing right. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering Elizabeth II, Deji, Regina, Andred's Legend, Elizabeth II, De Gratia, Regina. Translation, Elizabeth II, Queen by the grace of God. Engraver, si Dora D. Pidiri Hunt. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse. A maple twig is surrounded with the face value and the inscription Canada with the double date 1867 and 1992. Script Latin, may literation na 1 cent 1867, 1992. Canada, KG. Engraver George Kroger, Gray. Edge is plain. Mint, Royal Canadian Mint of Ottawa, Canada, 1908. Or RCM of the Winnipeg, Canada, 1976 ang kanyang date. So meron lang 98% guys ang ating 1992 na commemorative coins. Meron siyang mintage na 673,512 pieces. So ganun karami guys. At meron siyang uncirculated na 9 pesos and 10 centavos. About uncirculated, 9 pesos and 10 centavos. Uncirculated is 52 pesos. Ang BO natin guys is 0.3% lang. 54 pesos naman ang kanyang uncirculated. Ang FROP is 3% lang. 90 pesos naman ang kanyang uncirculated. Dahil meron siyang 147,061 ang kanyang sample. So naka-display ito guys sa ating eBay online selling ng $5.99. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.